Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so grateful for the love that you have poured for my best skincare category for 2024. I'm going to pop the link right here for you to go and watch it. And today we're going to do the best body care of 2024 that I have used. So I have got great recommendation. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so the first product that I have is from Wishcare. It is their 100% pure extra virgin coconut oil and it is cold pressed. This is how it looks. It is extremely great, extremely hydrating for your body, especially in winters. Our body skin actually tends to get very dry. So, this is something that I use. I apply this on my body, keep it for 20 minutes straight, and then take a shower. It just feels so moisturizing, hydrating, and your skin actually feels so supple and soft. So, I would highly recommend a coconut oil. And in case you want this one, you can actually grab it. So now let's quickly move to the body wash category. So the number one product I have is by Be Body Wise, and this is how it looks. I have actually spoken about this product because this is my third bottle. It is extremely great. If you use this on a very regular basis, it will help to remove the dead skin that you have on your hand, on your body, and also will help you with the tan that you have. But you have to be very consistent with this one. It is absolutely great. This is alcohol free, this is paraben free, and also it has 1% salicylic acid. And if you have that strawberry skin, if you know, our body tends to have a lot of, you know, strawberry kind of skin. And if you want to exfoliate that as well, this is a great product, and I would highly recommend this. The next body wash that I have is by Chemist at Play. This is how it looks. And this is their daily exfoliating body wash. This is suitable for all skin types. It says it has lactic acid, salicylic acid, and vitamin E. Gently exfoliates dead skin cells, smoothens rough and bumpy skin, and this is dermatologist tested. This also has ceramides, which is so good. So what it does is, again, it has lactic acid, which is exfoliate exfoliator an exfoliator which helps to remove the tan, the strawberry skin, the dead skin cells, and all of those. It is extremely hydrating, and I love this product also for one reason, that you can also apply this on your face and it is not going to break you out. When I use this product, I actually use this on my body and on my face, and I haven't broken out, which is extremely great. So you just have one product for your body. And yes, I love this product and I am going to take this in the year 2025. So the last recommendation in the body wash category is by Plum. This is their vanilla caramello body wash. Now there has been a lot of hype about this product, so I wanted to try this. This does not have any active, so if you are someone who have great body skin, then you can go with this one. I just use this once a while if I don't want to, use the actives on my skin, and this smells really great. If you want to go out for a meeting, or if you're just going out with friends, family, you can actually use this one because you actually smell so good. So I'm also gonna pair this with a moisturizer, which I'm going to talk about in this video later on. But yes, if you are someone who's looking for like nice fragrance, and if you love vanilla or caramel, you can highly check this out. I mean, you can totally check this out. This is great. It really smells very good. It stays for about, I think, 2 to 3 hours, to be very honest, and not the full day. But when you pair this with the moisturizer, it does stay for a very long time, which I'm going to talk about in this video. So next up is a razor, which I'm going to pop right here. It is extremely great. It makes your skin very soft and supple. It doesn't give you any cuts, and I've been using this from for about 2 years now. I'm not the kind of girl who will go to the parlor for waxing. I cannot take that pain, and I think it makes my skin super, super sensitive. So I use this, and I've been using this like for 2 years now, and I think it's a great, great razor. So in case you're someone who wants to do, I mean, if you want to remove your body hair, you can totally check this out. So next up is body scrub. So I have got two recommendation. I have already spoken about the Be Body Wise, and this is their 10% AHA body scrub. This you have to use only once a week. This is how it looks. You only have to use this once a week, and that's about it. It is great, great, great. It actually helps to remove the tan that you have on your body if you go for a vacation or if you're out with a lot of sun exposure. I would highly recommend this one. Or in general also, if you're even if you're at home, using this once a week wouldn't harm. It's a great product. I've been using this year honestly, and this is my second tube. I've already spoken about this product. This is actually great to exfoliate your skin cells, the dead skin that is there on your body. It also helps to remove the ingrown hair, and also helps you to remove the tan that you have on your body. And yes, this is something that I am going to take in the year 2025. So next one is this product right here. I really hope that you would have seen this product. A lot of people have been talking about this stuff, and I really wanted to try this product from a very, very long time. So I got my hands on this last month, and trust me, it is so, so great. It is their exfoliating body polish, and I've got the crushed lavender and coconut milk. There are very different variants. I think there's strawberry, there is a mango. So whatever you like, you can actually pick that up. And I am just going to open this and going to show you. Can you see how runny it is? And yeah, I hope I don't fall. But yeah, can you see that? Yeah, it has like mild beads in it, and when you apply it, it doesn't um, poke you. It is not sharp, but it really exfoliates your body, and your body feels so, so smoother and so, so good. You would be like, oh my god, it's so baby like skin. So yes, I get the hype why this product was so, so all over the internet. I would highly recommend, if you're looking for something which actually is very mild on your skin. This does not have any active, that you have to remember. If you want your body to smell good and you want to feel good, it's just like a spa. You just do it like once a month, and yes, I would highly recommend this one. Quickly moving on to the last category, that is body lotion. I've got three recommendations, so let's quickly get started. First one is by Vaseline. I've already spoken about the Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiant Serum Lotion. Extremely great. So, so light on the skin. I'm just going to quickly show you. But let's put this. बहुत ज़्यादा गिर गया. Can you see this? Ta-da-da. And I'm going to show you this now. It feels so, so nourishing. It's so light. It's like lotion and serum. If you're someone who loves a light lotion, you can definitely try this out. It smells so, so amazing. It's extremely great on the skin, and I absolutely love this. If you're looking something on a budget, you can highly, highly grab this one for you. The next one is again by Vaseline, and this is their Gluta Hya Overnight Radiance Serum and Lotion. Now, this one is great for a night lotion. If you're someone who takes a shower at night or does like a prep before you go to bed, then you should check this out. This is great for night and this one is great for morning. Both of them smell really amazing, super light on your skin. It is like gel like consistency, and this actually like absorbs in your skin so fast. So I love these two. So I think if you're on a budget, you can actually grab these two. It is great. Next up is by the Plum. This is your vanilla caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. So this is how it looks. It's extremely hydrating, smells so good on your body. It does, but again, if you're someone who loves vanilla or caramel, then only grab this because it smells exactly like that. And like I was saying in the previous body wash category thing, that if you pair this with this, it's great. The smell is going to last on your body for good 4 to 5 hours. So yes, this combo is great. It We always say that if you're purchasing a body lotion and if you have a body wash to it, you can actually use them together so that the smell actually remains on your body for a very long time. Otherwise it is just going to go away. That is something that I personally feel. So if I want to go out for like movies or just go out with friends, I use this and then I use this and it actually stays for a very long time. So this is something that I would highly recommend. Next up is a sunscreen. If you have been following me, you would already know that I'm a fan of sunscreen. I think the moment you start wearing sunscreen, it does it all. The tan and everything will just reduce. Your skin starts glowing. All the acne issues, everything just goes away. That's my personal observation of using sunscreen for so many years. So I also wanted to try a body, sunscreen. Usually what happens is they are very thick, so I really don't like a body sunscreen. But I go hunt for a lot of sunscreen, especially the body one. So I got my hands on this. This is your Wish Care sunscreen body lotion. It has niacinamide, ceramides, carrot, seed, and raspberry. And the best part is it has SPF 50 with PA 3 pluses, which is so great. I love this product. It is extremely gentle. It absorbs in your skin very quickly. So I love this product. If you're someone who's going to a beach, or if you're going out where you've worn like sleeveless, or even if you're wearing full, the sun seems to be super harsh between 11 to 2 o'clock. So I highly recommend you all to actually wear sunscreen because it will really help to keep your tan in place. Because if you're not going to wear it, all the dead skin and all the tan is going to come on your body, and it doesn't match with your face skin and your body skin, which is a bothersome problem for me. So I have switched to a body sunscreen if I'm going out. But yes, I highly recommend this one. So, with that, let's end this video. I really hope this was helpful, and I'm also going to post the best hair care for 2024 that I have used. That would come, I think, on Tuesday. So, go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you love my content. Hit that like button and also the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get the notification. And with that, let's end this video, and I see you next time. Bye bye. Love.